to present the four types of hardware tools and how to use it. To begin with, we're going to present the electrostatic discharge HD tools, and we have two examples, and these are the anti-static wrist strap and anti-static mat. The first example, anti-static wrist strap, used to prevent HD damage to computer equipment. Anti-static wrist straps are designed to safety group operators working with HD-sensitive components, preventing a build-up of static electricity. Anti-static range of wristbands are designed to be worn close to the skin stability of path of program.
Second example, anti-static mat, used to stand on or place hardware to prevent static electricity from building up. Anti-static mats help to protect static sensitive components from electrostatic discharge. They are engineered to drain static discharge from items placed on their surface. The secondary benefit of ESD mats is that they serve to protect the surface of the ESD sensitive devices from wear and tear.
In addition, the next we're going to present is the hand tools, and we have 9 examples.
First example, flathead screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten slotted screw. The flathead is one of the most common screwdrivers. Slotted screw comes in a number of different shapes and sizes, often requiring differently sized heads despite the same general shape. If your screwdriver is too small, it will require more tack and effort to turn the screw just a little too large, and it won't fit in the screw.
Second example, Phillips head screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten crosshead screw. A Phillips screwdriver has a head with pointed edge in the shape of a cross, which fits neatly into the cross slot of a Phillips screw. Phillips screwdrivers are available in 5 different sizes, from 0 to 4. If you don't use the right size, you can easily strip up Phillips screw, making it difficult to remove.
Third example, torque screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten a screw that have star-like depression on the top. A picture is mainly found on a laptop. Torque keys are similar to hex key and have the same L shape, except this tool has a 6-point star shape across section. Torque screwdriver provide a score grip on the top of fastener ahead.
Fourth example, hex grabber, sometimes called a nut grabber, is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screw. A hex screwdriver is a type of screwdriver that features an hexagonal type of grabber circle nut, bolts in a screw. Hex screwdriver, like all types of screwdriver, are available in a certain range of both standard and metric size. The screwdrivers can make the process of loosening and tightening hex nuts, bolts, and screw much easier.
Fifth example, needle nose pliers side cover the small parts. Needle nose pliers are good for wrenching into tight, but irregular pliers are unwieldy. Most crafters use them for elaborate projects with small objects, generally making tools such as picking up and extending belts, setting a skull, and attaching small flaps. 6 examples. Wire cutter used to strip and cut wires. A wire cutter are commonly used to cut copper, brass, iron, aluminum, and steel wire. Some wire cutters have insulate handles, ensuring you will not get struck by the wire you're working with. 7 examples. Used to manipulate small parts, either argue ball when working tight screw or for removing that moves the screw inside of a computer face. Other are area where the hardware is for removing the first from motherboards and drivers, sometimes small bloopers device that feature a set small wires in a short of flow can reality help.
8th example, part retriever. Used to retrieve parts from a caisson that are too small for your hand to fit.
9th example, flashlight, used to light of areas that cannot see clearly. Flashlights are used to light sources outdoors in places without permanently installed lighting during power outage or when a portable light source is needed. 30, we're going to present the cleaning tools and we're going to show the 4 examples.
First example, lint-free cloth, used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. A lint-free cloth is a special type of cleaning cloth that does not give up any fluff when used. Being free of lint means that cloth is less likely to build up a charge, which can cause ESD, damaging electronic equipment like HD televisions, computer monitors, and digital cameras.
Second example, compressed air. Used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. A compressed air is a combination of under pressure gas that squeeze into a can with a computer and electron. Compressed air is the preferred method for removing dust and dirt from sensitive electrons.
Third example, cable used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer, also known as routers. They're fasteners that bundle your cables and wires together to keep them organized and prevent that they come in different sizes, lengths, materials, and even colors.
The last example, part organizer, used to hold screw, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevent them from getting mixed together. Computer parts organizer organize various computer parts according to the size and qualities of the computer parts. Lastly, we're going to represent the diagnostic tools and we have 2 examples. First example, multimeter, used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. A digital multimeter is a test tool used to measure 2 or more electrical values, principally voltage, current, and resistance. It is standard diagnostic tools for technicians in the electrical and electronic industries.
The second and last example, loopback adapter, used to test the functionality of computer ports. A loopback cable is also known as loopback plug or loopback adapter, which is a plug used to test physical ports to identify network issues. It provides system test engineers a simple but effective way of testing the transmission capability and receiver sensitivity of network equipment.
That's it guys, we hope you appreciate and like it. Thank you for watching. Bye!